Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn off app notification on Likee. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Likee app in a device, then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on three dots icon. After that, tap on settings. Then tap on notifications. After that, scroll until you find app notification. Then tap on it. So this is how you can turn off app notification on Likee.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.